This is a Marx Mercury wind-up engine, version with the whistle inside, number 635. And I thought I'd show you the mechanism. Here's the insides. You can see this contraption on the front end. That's the whistle. You can see the blades of the squirrel cage fan that cause the motor to whistle. What's really nice is this mechanism on the other side, that this gear right here that causes the whistle to blow in a pattern. This is a Marx Commodore Vanderbilt, number 232. This one was originally black. I painted it gray. This is the version with the sparkler inside. So let's take a look at the mechanism. This is the sparking mechanism. Mine, I replaced this with sandpaper, the wheel. Put a strip of sandpaper around it. The original was worn off. Oftentimes the sparkler mechanism was missing this part because this comes right off. You can get replacements for this though. But here it is in action. And you can see when you remove this part, get in real close, there's the flint that's sticking out. This one's getting a little worn down. These are common lighter flints that you can purchase. I get about 15 to 20 wind-ups on this before the flint wears down and needs replacing. So that's the sparkler mechanism. Also the bell mechanism, you can see the bell inside here, is actuated by a cam on one of the gears and this little black spring that's L-shaped. It's common for these to break off. This might even be a replacement that I put on, but those springs are also available for replacement. Here are two wind-up engines made by Wyandotte Toys. This earlier version one still bears the Hafner trains name on the side. Hafner trains, which made only wind-up toy trains, was sold to Wyandotte Toys in the late 1940s. This engine, although it still says Hafner on the side, if you look at the front, does have the Wyandotte Toys logo on the front. So this one's probably late 40s, I'm going to guess. And the mechanisms, if you look at the two mechanisms, they're different. This one, a later Wyandotte Toys, maybe from the early 50s, just says Wyandotte and has the Wyandotte Indian logo on the front. And there are two different mechanisms. The earlier version has a permanent screw-in wind-up key and a better speed control mechanism, just like the Marx engines. I'm going to guess this one is later. This is the Wyandotte Toys mechanism. Has a removable key with a pin that sticks out the side and a pretty poor speed control mechanisms. This engine's easy to fly off the track if you wind it up all the way. But those are the two Wyandotte Toys steam engines.